my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video and I hope it gives you lots of cleaning motivation. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these awesome chocolate chip pancakes. They're super easy and very, very delicious, but I'm also going to be cleaning up my kitchen while I am cooking, getting it all done. Yes, I'm a multitasking mama and I am here to get you motivated for your day.
I was spinning. I could always tell it was the end of the beginning. When you're coming over here, there's no need for pretending. I'm trying to be careless with the signals that you're sending. I got it.
I am a woman, not here to please you.
So I just bought a box pancake mix. This brand that I'm using today is Laura Lynn. It is Ingles store brand. So I just follow what's on the box for how much mix and water to mix together to make the amount of pancakes you want. And as you will see, my very first one, I make a little tiny one because it is way too thick. I had to add a little bit more water to get my mixture thin. I try to do just a small thin pancake, and once I pour the batter into my skillet, that is when I add the chocolate chips. I do not mix the chocolate chips in with my pancake batter, and I think this is what makes them extra chocolatey. Once I flip it, the chocolate chips on the bottom get sort of crunchy, and they are really delicious that way. Bubbles up. You do not want to flip it too soon because you want a nice evenly brown pancake. So you just watch for the edges of your pancake to look done and for bubbles to come up on the top. If you try to flip it and it starts to fall apart, it is not ready to flip. It should already be mostly done all the way through from the bottom up before you flip it. That way you're just having to get that one side with the chocolate chips browned and your chocolate chips at least bit crunchy. And I promise you guys, you will not be disappointed if you try these pancakes.
dopamine rush got a major.
While I'm making my pancakes, I'm going to be going back and forth cleaning my kitchen while I fix the pancakes. They are not high maintenance whatsoever. You do not have to stand right at them and watch them.
The kick in every move and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. Wish I knew just what it was, but why should I make a fuss? Just stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. Got me under lock and key, but I don't wanna be free when I'm next to you. You're like honey to a bee, I go crazy for the sweet when I'm next to you, girl. Got the kick in every move and I fought us like a fool for you, for you. It might seem that I'm dumb, but it's you that's got me stunned. Stay next to me, girl, next to me, girl. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something, something special about you. You got it down, shake my ground, and I can't get enough, got me spellbound. And every day, in every way, I just know there's something about you. Something special, don't know why, something special that I like about you, about you. There's a mystery entwined, something bigger to define about you, about you. Am I the only one to see? Got me down on my knees, taken by your gravity. And I just know you got that something special about you.
I'm lying wide awake, I can sleep tonight. Staring at the ceiling like a restless child. Cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, bet you're out right now. Drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around. Oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends. But then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. All these thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends.
And here is the usual after footage of my clean kitchen. I hope you guys
Tell me that you need my help. Here we go
subscribers. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and giving me motivation in return when you watch my videos and you comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to become a part of my YouTube family. So if you want to subscribe to my channel right now, just click that red subscribe button right below this video or in the corner right over here, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a video. I have lots more cleaning motivation, organizing, and keeping a clean, tidy home tips and tricks coming your way. You're not going to want to miss the motivation that I've got for you guys. I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.